Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pie chart on PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Insert tab. Look for the Illustrations group and click on Chart. This action will open the Insert Chart dialog box. From there, select Pie as your chart type. You'll see several pie chart styles. Choose the one that best suits your data visualization needs. This initial step is crucial for setting up your visual representation effectively. Once you've selected your pie chart style, an Excel spreadsheet will automatically appear on your screen. This is where you'll input all your data. The default data provided is just a placeholder, so you'll need to replace it with your own specific categories and their corresponding numerical values. It's important to organize your information clearly, typically with categories in one column and their respective values in an adjacent column. This ensures your pie chart accurately reflects your information. After entering your data, it's time to make your pie chart visually appealing. Navigate to the Chart Design tab that appears when your chart is selected. Here, you can easily change the colors, apply different chart styles, and experiment with various layouts to find what works best. You can also add or remove essential chart elements such as the chart title, legend, and data labels. Adjusting font sizes and colors will significantly enhance readability for your audience. To truly finalize your pie chart, take some time to refine its details. Right-clicking on individual chart elements, like data labels or the legend, will open specific formatting panes, offering even more control over their appearance. Experiment with different data label positions to ensure maximum clarity and avoid overlap. Once you are satisfied with your chart's appearance and accuracy, save your presentation. You are now ready to confidently share your well-crafted and insightful pie chart with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.